Ngayon ay nakasakay kami sa train going to Terminal 4. Kaway-kaway dyan, my friend.
Friend.
At dito, Sir Ronald. Jael.
No,
Okay.
we're here in the Singapore train. I don't know
Ang hirap, ang
where are we
pagod.
going. It's
Pagod.
very difficult to transport the
Kala
train
lang,
now.
hindi na kami makauwi dahil sa mga immigration.
There's a lot of process.
Yeah.
We need to
Okay.
register online prior we can proceed to the other terminal. Handle the handle.
Atras pa, atras. Ayun na. Takbo na po yung train.
The train is on the way.
Muntik. Baliktad eh. Kulang si aircon sa Singapore ah.
Umiga ba? Saan ang driver dito, Brad?
Wala, automatic ang putik. Okay, wow.
Look, the train is no driver, only matic.
Tingnan natin yung beauty ng airport ng Singapore.
But
Yan. Yan.
I will just tell you that
Wow, ganda.
Singapore is really prosperous country.
Yeah.
Really
Going to Terminal 1. Maybe the Terminal 1 is there.
maunlad na bansa.
Ate Yui, ito bang sinasabi mong may fountain sa taas?
Hello? Okay. Okay.
Yan yung free.
Okay.
Here we go. Stop ko na. Terminal na kami.
Saan tayo, ma'am? Dito na tayo.